Hi, I'm Keith Cedro, inventor of the +3 push-up bars. I'm here to demonstrate how easy they are to assemble. When you take them out of the box, you're going to find 2 handles and 4 end caps. You'll notice on the handles on each side, there's a small dot, just like that. And on the end caps, you look inside, you're going to see a dot inside the end cap. Now you're ready to put them together. You take your handle, you take your end cap, you line up your dots, push them together, and you want to listen for the snap. Take your other end cap. You see the dot? You see the dot? We line them up, wait for the snap. It's done. Second handle. There's my dot. Here's my dot on the end cap. I push them in, wait for the snap. It's in. End cap, dot, dot. Now they're ready to go. +3 push-up bars. Have a great workout. Advance, conquer, repeat.